Today, I'll show you how to connect a broker to TradingView Mobile. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. On mobile, this only works with brokers that TradingView supports. TradingView says the mobile app has a Connect Broker option, and it also maintains a list of broker partners you can trade with through the platform. To get started, open the TradingView app on your phone and go to the Chart tab. Then tap the three dots to open the More section. TradingView's mobile support page says this is where you'll find the Connect Broker option in the app. Tap that, and TradingView will show you the brokers available for connection. Now choose your broker from the list. If your broker appears there, tap it and follow the login steps on the screen. In most cases, you'll sign in with the same account details you use for that broker normally. Once the connection is complete, your broker account links to TradingView Mobile, so you can work from the chart more directly. TradingView's trading pages describe this as trading directly from supercharts with supported brokers. After the broker is connected, you should be able to access your trading account from the chart area. TradingView's mobile help page says you can open Account Manager by tapping the broker's icon on the chart. That's also where you can later log out of the broker account if needed. Here's something important to remember. If your broker does not appear in the Connect list, you usually can't force the connection manually inside TradingView Mobile. That usually means the broker is not currently supported through TradingView's integration system, so you would need either a supported broker or TradingView's built-in paper trading instead. TradingView's broker pages emphasize that only verified broker partners are available for direct connection. Another helpful thing to know is that the mobile flow is a little different from desktop. On desktop, people often use the trading panel at the bottom of the chart, but on mobile, TradingView's own support page points users to chart arrow three dots, arrow connect broker instead. So, in simple terms, open the TradingView app, go to the chart tab, tap the three dots, choose connect broker, pick your broker, and sign in. If the broker is supported, TradingView will connect it and let you manage it from the chart. And that's how to connect a broker to TradingView Mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.